welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Dane Matro. And for today's video, gagawa ko ng review nitong Sansan eyeliner pen. This is waterproof. Nakalagay, waterproof eyeliner pen. I got this for 105 pesos sa HBC. And ganito yung packaging niya. Shiny siya na blue. Katulad nung Sansan nila na matte lipstick. So, ganito yung itsura niya. And this one is black. And this one is waterproof. And it has vitamins A, C, and E. Tapos, this has 2 ml of the product or 0.07 fluid ounce. Tapos, yung manufacturing date din nakalagay dito. And yung expiration date, which is a plus. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, buti na lang hindi natagtag yung mga nakalagay. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Ganito yung tip niya. So, let's watch this. Okay. Okay, ganito yung swatch niya. Okay naman, in fairness, okay naman siya. Very black. Tapos, parang nagmamat yung black. Kaya okay. So, let's try to apply it. So, i-apply natin siya. Oh. Wow. I like it. Sobrang black niya, guys. Oh. I like it. Sobrang black. So, I'll apply this lang. Medyo kasi mahirap mag-apply ng eyeliner kapag may camera. So, yun. I'll get back to you guys pag na-apply ko na siya. So, ito yung siya. So guys, I'm back after ilang minuto. Na-apply ko na din siya. Hindi yung eyeliner pen yung may problema ko, hindi yung mga kamay ko. Ayaw niyang gawing pantay yung aking eyeliner. Pero ngayon, medyo pantay na siya, kaya I'm happy about it. So, let's talk about this eyeliner pen. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung pag-apply. Sobrang dali niya i-apply. And, ang bilis niya matuyo. And, sobrang ganda nung pagka-black niya. Sobrang dali niya i-apply. Sobrang wala. So far, so good about this eyeliner pen. And sana, waterproof nga talaga siya. And sana magtagal siya sa aking eyes. So, tingnan natin. So, yun, oh, hindi nagsasmudge yung nandito. So, very, very okay. So far, so good. So, it's now 12:55 p.m. and I'll get back to you guys later for my update. Bye! So, hi guys! I'm back and it's now 6:23 na ng hapon and almost 6 hours simula nung nilagay ko yung eyeliner and ganito na yung itsura niya. Nawala na yung wing ko dito but maybe because dahil sa akin kaya siya nawala kasi pabura-bura ako dito kanina. And nanood ako, na-test ko talaga yung longevity niya or yung pagka-waterproof niya kasi todo iyak ako kanina nung nanood ako ng A Second Chance. Kaya yun. And I think this one, kasalanan ko siya kasi kanina pabura-bura ako nung pag-a-apply ko ng wing kasi nga pinagpapantay ko silang dalawa. But, kahit na nawala siya, hindi siya kumalat sa mata ko. Wala yung parang itim-itim sa ganito ko. Wala. And, dito naman, nawala lang yung konting tip lang dito. But, it's still okay. So, for 105 pesos, I recommend you guys try this one out. Very affordable lang siya and okay na okay yung performance niya. Hindi siya ganun ka-waterproof pero smudge-proof siya and nagsistay put siya sa mata ko for the whole day. Yun nga lang yung wing lang yung hindi and okay din na yung pag natanggal yung wing, hindi siya kumakalat dito. Wala akong nakitang bleeding. Kaya it's really good. Tapos yung tip niya is ganito. Pwede kang mag-create ng thin na line and pwede din yung thick na line. Kaya okay na okay to and very very affordable. Madali lang siya gamitin sa pag-a-apply and yun, wala akong masabi. Basta I really like this product and I recommend you guys try this one out. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're not yet already. Just click the subscribe button down below. And kung may suggestions kayo, just comment then down below. Kung meron kayong gustong i-review ko na product na affordable, just comment down below. And yeah, please follow me on my social media accounts, my Instagram and my Twitter. My username is Miss Dane Matro. And always remember guys to love yourself and enjoy life.